Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a professional report in ClickUp using their updated 2025 features. Whether you're managing a dynamic team, tracking progress on a major project, or just aiming to organize your work more effectively, by the end of this video, you'll know precisely how to set up, customize, and share a powerful report that suits your needs. Let's dive right in and get your reports up and running. First, make sure you're on your ClickUp home dashboard, where you can see all your projects at a glance. Hover your mouse over to the project you want to create a report for. This helps you stay organized and ensures your report is attached to the right workspace. Often, people forget this step and end up creating reports in the wrong place. So double-check you're in the correct project before moving ahead. Once you're hovering over your chosen project, you'll see 3 dots appear to the right. Those dots are your shortcut to a whole menu of options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This brings up a menu where you'll find the Template option. Select Template. Why is this important? In ClickUp, templates are like blueprints. They save you a ton of time and effort, and they ensure consistency across your organization. Instead of reinventing the wheel every single time you need a report, templates let you build on tried and tested structures. Now, you'll see a browser window pop up showing all the available templates. In the search bar at the top, type Report. This filters out everything else and brings up templates specifically built for reporting. Take your time browsing through the options. Maybe you want a simple progress report, a detailed analytics breakdown, or a client update. There's usually a template tailored for various needs. If you're unsure which one fits, try to imagine the final result. Do you need lots of charts and numbers, or just a summary of actions taken? Hover over each template to get a quick preview, and when you spot the one you like, click on it to select. Next, hit Use Template. You'll be prompted to name your report. Choose a name that's instantly recognizable to you and your team. Something like June 2025 Marketing Progress or Budget Overview Q2. It's a tiny detail, but a clear name saves so much confusion down the line, especially as reports start piling up. Now comes one of my favorite parts, customization. ClickUp allows you to tweak almost every aspect of the template before finalizing your report. Don't worry if you're not sure about every field right now. You can always come back and edit later. For instance, you might want to add a section for client feedback, or maybe remove a table that doesn't apply to your project. Take a few moments here to tailor the content to your specific needs. I always recommend using real-world examples. If you're reporting on a website redesign, add screenshots or status indicators. The goal is to make your report not just informative, but genuinely useful for its readers. Once everything looks good, hit Use Template again to generate your actual report. If you realize you need to rename or further tweak something, you can easily do that. Just click into the report, change the name, or hit the Edit button for any section that needs adjusting. Remember, reporting isn't about perfection on the first try. It's about clarity and usefulness. So don't stress if you need to make a few more changes. And that's it. You've got a customized report, ready to share or collaborate on with your team. Creating reports in ClickUp really is that straightforward once you know where to look. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button below. If you have any questions or want to see more tips on using ClickUp or productivity tools, drop a comment, and I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more easy, practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.